How to download video from Aliexpress in mobile. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, in order for us to download videos from Aliexpress, we will be using an app. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and search for video downloader, which is this one right here. Go ahead and install the app, and once you do that, open it. And let us go to Aliexpress. Now, as you can see at the bottom right, there's an arrow, this one right here, the arrow icon. This indicates whether this page have videos that you can download or not. When this icon is gray, it means that there are no videos. But when it turns red, let me show you. It means that there are some videos. Let us go to a product page that has video on it, so you can see how this will look like. I don't know, this one right here. As you can see, there's a video here, so the arrow has turned red, meaning that we can download a video from this page. Click on the arrow, you will see the videos. If there are multiple ones, you will see all of them, and you can select or unselect by using this check mark box next to the video. You can even rename the video, say for example Aliexpress Nintendo, then click on rename, and once you do that, click on fast download and your video will be downloaded. You might get an ad. It'll be a quick one, so you just have to skip it. Your video has started to download, and you can check it in the progress tab at the bottom. You will see all of your videos right here that are being downloaded to your phone. And once the download has finished, as you can see, the download has finished. You will see it in the other tab right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download a product video from Aliexpress in your mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.